Hey everyone, welcome back to SSverse, your one-stop solution for smart learning, smart earning and smart living. My name is Shahbaz Sultani. In episode 1, we removed fear. Today in episode 2, we remove the biggest block. Let me ask you honestly, do you understand English but can't speak fluently? Do words come late when you speak? Do you first think in your regional language then you translate? If yes, listen carefully. Your English is not weak. Your thinking process is wrong. Fluent English speakers do not translate. They think directly in English. Today I'll show you why translation destroys fluency. How to think in English step by step. Daily exercises to rewire your brain. This episode can change your English forever. Why translation makes you slow. Let's understand the problem. When you speak like this, thought in your regional language, then you translate into English and then you make sentence, then you speak. Your brain is doing 4 jobs at once. That's why you pause a lot, you feel nervous, you forget what fluent speakers do. They thought in English and speak simple, fast and confidence. Example, if your language is Hindi, you think मैं थक गया हूँ and then you translate मैं means I, थक गया means tired, हूँ means am and then you think I am tired and then you speak. But if you think in English, you think I am tired. One unit, one thought. Our goal is to change the system, not memorize grammar. Big myth about thinking in English. Let's break some myths. Myth number 1. You need strong grammar. No, that's wrong. You don't need strong grammar. Children speak without grammar knowledge. Myth number 2. You need big vocabulary. No, that is also you don't need. Most conversation use simple words. Myth number 3. You must think fast. That is also wrong. You must think simple. Speed comes later. Rule number 1. Start with daily life English. You cannot think in English about complex topics first. Start with daily actions. I'll show you how. When you wake up, think I am waking up. I feel sleepy. I need water. While brushing, think I am brushing my teeth. The water is cold. While eating, I am hungry. The food is tasty. This is my favorite food. These sentences are simple, real and repeatable. Your brain learns faster from reality, not textbooks. Rule number 2. Learn sentences, not words. This is very important. Stop learning English like this. Wake means jagna, hungry means bhook. Start learning like this. I am hungry. I woke up late. I don't feel well. Why? Because brain stores sentences easily. You speak faster. No translation needed. Think of sentences are ready-made tools. Fluent speakers don't create sentences. They recall sentences. Rule number 3. Think aloud. Loud practice. Silent thinking is not enough. You must speak aloud. Why? Because speaking uses mouth muscle, breath, confidence. Practice method. Talk to yourself loudly. Alone is fine. Example, today is Monday. I am learning English. This lesson is helpful. I will practice daily. Don't worry about mistakes. Worry about silence. Rule number 4. English patterns. Automatic thinking. English thinking works on patterns. Let's train patterns. Pattern number 1. I am plus feeling or action. I am tired. I am learning. I am waiting. I am eating. I am doing. Pattern number 2. I have to plus verb. I have to work. I have to study. I have to go. Pattern number 3. I want to plus verb. I want to eat. I want to improve. I want to speak. Pattern number 4. I don't plus verb. I don't know. I don't understand. I don't like this. Practice these patterns daily. They become automatic thoughts. Stop thinking perfect. Think clear. Many people stop because they want perfect grammar, perfect accent. Let me be honest, perfect English is not required. Clear English is enough. Example, yesterday I went to market. That's wrong. Yesterday I went to market. This is right. Even wrong English communicates. Silence communicates nothing. Fluency comes from usage, not perfection. 30-day plan. Thinking in English. Follow this seriously. Week number 1. Observation English. Describe everything you see. The sky is blue. The road is busy. There is car. People are going. He is coming. Week number 2. Action English. Describe what you do. I am working. I am learning. I am eating. I am going. Week number 3. Opinion English. Simple opinions. I like this. I don't like that. She like this. He like that. Week number 4. Feeling English. Emotions. I feel confidence. I feel confident. I feel nervous. By the day 30, your brain switches language mode. Common mistakes to avoid: thinking in Hindi secretly, memorizing grammar rules, fear of mistakes, comparing with others, practicing only in mind. Fix all these mistakes and progress becomes fast. In episode 3, we will go deeper. Daily use English sentences, speak naturally. You will learn real conversation sentences, English for office, market, calls, how natives actually speak. This will boost confidence massively. If you watched this episode, I respect you. Remember this line forever. You don't need to be fluent to start. You need to start to become fluent. English is not your enemy. Your real enemy is your fear. Like this video, comment I am thinking in English, subscribe to SS Words. This is Shehbaz Sultani. Speak daily, think simple, stay consistent. I'll see you in episode 3.